Hey, let's see how to fix Instagram Reels not showing, not loading, or not working on your PC or laptop. Here's how to fix it. So if you notice that your Instagram Reels are not showing anything, so in that case, first you have to check your internet connection. Just go to your network settings and make sure you are properly connected. But if you're seeing that your internet is unstable or not working, in that case, just restart your router or switch to another Wi-Fi or internet connection. If your internet is fine but Reels are not loading, in that case, there's another setting you need to check. So just go to Windows search bar and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So if you find it here, just go for it. And now under visual effect, you have to check that animate controls and elements inside Windows are enabled. And at the same time, check other visual effects is also enabled like this. And once everything looks good, just click apply and OK. Now go back to Instagram and reload the page and check if Reels are working properly. If the issue still continues from your side, open another browser and search for Instagram server status. And now from here, just check the current date and time to see Instagram server are down. So here you can notice that none of the people actually reported. That means the server is working fine. In that case, just refresh the Instagram page once again and your reel should start working normally. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.